Today, we'll start with a photo of a family house and step-by-step go backwards to recreate its different construction phases. From these scene images, we will generate videos and finally merge them into a full construction sequence of a family house. Let's get started. First, let's open Rendair AI, click Start Creating, and go to Chat. I'll upload this drone photo of a family house. Now I'll use the prompt, construction phase of this house, remove facade cladding, construction workers, scaffolding. This helps us go one step back from the finished image. After a few minutes, we get this result. Pretty good. We can clearly see that the facade has been removed. I'll download this image and name it Facade Removed because we'll continue working with it. Now I upload this image again and type earlier construction phase of this house, roof removed, workers removing the roof. After generating, we get this result. Again, very good. We can see the timber structure without the roof. I'll download this image and continue. Next, I upload it back to Chat and use this prompt. Earlier construction phase of this house, only ground floor, workers are constructing the ground floor, and generate. Wow, this is a great result. The second floor is gone, and we can clearly see the timber structure of the ground floor. I'll download this image and upload it again. Now I prompt, earlier phase of this construction, remove all the timber construction, only floor slab is poured. Concrete is getting poured by machines and the workers, and generate. Amazing result again. Now the timber structure is removed, and we can clearly see the slab foundation. We can also see the machines pouring concrete. I'll download this image as well. Next, I upload it back and prompt. Earlier phase of this construction, remove the floor slab, a small hole for the concrete to get pour, dig the soil with machines and workers, and generate. Once again, perfect results. We can see the soil being excavated and the preparation for pouring the foundation. I'll download this one. Now we have almost every construction phase. Next, we'll turn these images into videos. Let's go to the Video tab. Here we can upload two images. One will be the first frame and the other will be the last frame. Rendair will generate the motion in between. For this scene, I'll upload the foundation excavation image as the first frame and the slab foundation image as the last frame. I'll use this prompt, construction phase of a house, foundation is getting poured, machines comes and pours the concrete, workers working. I'll generate 4 variations to get multiple options. After a few minutes, we get these results. I like this one the most, so I'll download it. Now let's create the next scene. To keep the video continuous, the last frame of the previous scene becomes the first frame of the next one. I switch the frames, remove the end frame, and upload the image of the first floor construction. Prompt, construction phase of a house. Timber framework is getting built. Timber work, house is getting built, workers working. Again, I generate 4 variations. A few minutes later, we get these videos. The timber framework is being built, machines are moving, and workers are active. This is exactly what we want. I'll download the one I like the most. Now let's create the third scene. I use the last frame again as the first frame, remove the end frame, and upload the second floor construction image. Prompt, construction phase of a house. Timber framework is getting built. Timber work, second floor is getting built. House is getting built, workers working, and generate again. Perfect results. The second floor timber structure is being built exactly as prompted. I'll download this one. Next, we move to the roof construction phase. I use the same method and upload the roof construction image as the end frame. Prompt: construction phase of a house, roof is getting done, roof construction, house is getting built, workers working. After generating a few options, we get these results. Again, excellent. I like this one where workers are placing the roof shingles, so I'll download it. Now let's create the final scene where the house is completed. I swap the frames again, upload the final finished house image, and prompt: house is getting built, facade work is getting done, scaffolding getting removed, workers working, and generate. Perfect results. I'll download this one. Now we have a video for each construction phase. Finally, we can merge all these clips into a single video. I'll use Premiere Pro for this, but you can do the same in any video editing tool. You can even do it inside Instagram, CapCut, or similar apps. And that's how you create a full construction phase video using Rendair AI.